Meet the Vacay Dream Team. They don't just show up, they dive right in. And at the piano bar, they raise the bar. Because when they're on Carnival, they're the main event.
Day 2 in Barcelona.
Look, you came out of the hotel.
Yeah.
We might go to the aquarium today.
Yeah, we're gonna walk down to like the port area where it's really pretty. What is it? Barcelona. Yeah, that's where we're headed. It's a some type of holiday here though today, so.
But a lot's open.
Yeah.
I guess we'll see when we get down there.
I'm so excited.
This is where Michelle got lost yesterday.
I was fine. Listen, I knew. I don't know. I was on the one street up. I don't.
Oh, the sun feels amazing today though.
Right now.
Our hotel is like tucked in a little like side street.
There's lots of little side
And
streets.
So
I mean, all
there's
over the same.
yeah, and it's super shady, so you don't even know what the temperature is like until you walk out into the sun.
And our room is really cold.
It feels amazing, yeah. Especially since I don't think we've ever been in a cruise ship cabin where it truly is like a nice, cool temperature.
Oh no, I slept in like my long sleeves. I was all bundled.
Oh yeah, no, it was fantastic.
It was one of those. We kept the room really cold, so we could just bundle up. It was nice.
Cold and dark and quiet. We finally didn't have noisy neighbors.
What do you see?
It's the guy from Amber Grove.
A guy from Amber.
The guy.
I get it now. To those who died defending the rights and constitutions of freedom. Nope, we're not in the war. Read the map. See the bakeries. Lots of bakeries, lots of shops. This is beyond my Spanish language.
Hombre. Tá bem. Era a sua conferência isso.
I'm holding. Yeah. I'm holding a bird. Look at this.
Please.
Levantar as mãos. Gracias. Toma, levanta las manos. Toma.
No. Primero.
Oh.
He's so interesting.
He's so cool.
I know they're so cool. Oh my gosh. He's like, oh. I'm too.
You like it?
That's Parliament.
Oh, that's Parliament.
holiday today, so a lot of people are off. Super busy at the beach. Beautiful views. All right, so a couple of the locals recommended places to go, but they were all really, really expensive, and they were all like very much seafood, which we understand. That's the kind of the Spanish food. And Michelle's not a huge fan, so we didn't want to spend a ton of money and not enjoy it. So we found a great little sandwich shop, Spanish sandwich shop, that's about a quarter of the price, right near the area that we are, right alongside the beach, which is awesome. So we're headed there now. We've been exploring kind of the first part of the day, and we're gonna head and grab a bite to eat, use the restroom, wash our hands, and on with the day.
I've never seen a meat cutter in my life.
I don't know how to say it in Spanish.
Took me a couple of minutes to get onto my chair.
Look at these sandwiches.
Well, basically, it's not cheers. It's basically eaters.
Eaters. All right, lunch was incredible. Michelle didn't love hers, but she did love mine. Rhett loved his. Yeah.
But it's my fault. I don't speak the language. And I don't have Wi-Fi, so I can't Google Translate.
The sandwich was so
Yours
amazing.
was really
I didn't even know what was on it. Like, I knew salami and provolone. That was the only two things.
And it had the pepper, so you knew it was spicy.
It had the peppers,
I would.
and then it had like the Spanish potatoes. Oh, so good.
It's
So
so
Get that
good,
as
but
a
so
meal.
filling.
Yes.
if you guys are ever in Barcelona, you have to try compa. So good. And it was like €30 for all of it, plus 2 drinks. So amazing. We're going back to the beach now. Rhett, what are you doing? What are you doing? Rhett, what are you doing?
Looking for naked person.
Oh my God.
How is it?
We can't take him anywhere. Oh my gosh. He saw a man with no pants on, and he's giggling.
And I get it, but I'm also like, but it's so obvious.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Michelle, what's going on?
I'm just. Like it's just one sangria if I have this.
Yeah.
Then it's just one.
Is there anyone following?
So we are back at our hotel after walking about 20,000 steps today. It was. What is this? We did walk 20,000. Little man, how tired are you?
I was on my iPad right now and dude, I just got jump scared. Literally, I was playing a FNAF security breach, and dude, Glamour, I think it was like what's that guy, that the alligator guy? But it jump scared me, literally.
And that's your highlight of the day.
It literally,
Yeah.
like,
Nothing
I
about
just met
Spain,
with
Barcelona. We're playing some table games, having a light cocktail or two, and we're gonna wind down for the rest of the night, I think, until tomorrow. These fools.
Me?
Yeah, you.
No, not.
So we enjoyed our pitcher of sangria, played some table
You
games.
did help.
I did help. And we went to walk to get some snacks at the grocery store. So we're winding it down. It was another wonderful day, lots of walking, about 10 miles again today. So
Tomorrow's gonna be great too.
and tomorrow will be another long walking day.
I can't wait for the tower to be a chill.
We're gonna be walking.
Embarkation Day
We're
will
gonna be
pretty.
walking a lot on the Valor as well. Don't you worry about that.
Embarkation Day we can be a little chill.
Yeah.
We've got 15 days on.
Be nice though. But we are back at our hotel and we are going in for the night.
I woke up with the sun today, rolled out of bed and said, I'm gonna have some fun today, and that's just what I did. The birds were singing, come outside, I felt giddy like a kid. If life is like a swimming pool, you know I'm jumping in. We got the perfect summer day, so put me in your plans. You know that this doesn't happen every day, so everybody clap your hands. Cause when we raise on high, every hand in the sky, we're the super fans, feeling grand in the grandstands. Shout it out, make some noise, make it loud, soaking up the lovely weather, everything just comes together. I woke up feeling good today, my journey has begun. I gotta give a shout out to the green grass and the sun. It's a long way off, a tricky shot, but I know it can be done. Another day, another game, another hole in one. Yeah, we got the perfect summer day, so put me in your plans. You know that this doesn't happen every day, so everybody clap your hands. Cause when we raise on high, every hand in the sky, we're the super fans, feeling grand in the grandstands. Shout it out, make some noise, make it loud, soaking up the lovely weather, everything just comes together. Lift them up, all the hands, all in one, we're the super fans, feeling grand in the grandstands. And keep them there, all the hands in the air, we're wishing it could last forever, baby, put your hands together. The weather's just so fine, wish I could bottle time. Cause if you only pause, you'll hear the crowd applaud. They're cheering for you now, stand up and take a bow. You know that you deserve it, today is picture perfect. Raise on high, every hand in the sky, we're the super fans, feeling grand in the grandstands. Shout it out, make some noise, make it loud, soaking up the lovely weather, everything just comes together. Clap our hands, clap our hands, clap our hands, we're the super fans, feeling grand in the grandstands. Clap our hands, clap our hands, clap our hands, we're wishing it could last forever, baby, put your hands together. That's why we clap our hands. That's why we clap our hands.